ask you, what are your thoughts on education and early childhood education here in our country?
It's building generation. It's giving kids that would not have opportunity to go to school to learn. When they go to school, they've got an understanding of reading comprehension, arithmetic. As I was saying before off camera, when I first got here, there was an opportunity like this. It's the interaction, the alertness of the kids, how aware they are of their surroundings, the respect and love they got for you guys as educators. You can just see it. Like, they're grateful for what they've got, and I'd imagine a lot of that comes from their parents because they grew up without it. So, as we know, it can be very difficult here in PNG financially to send kids to school to learn. So for organisations like BbP to go ahead and give kids a chance, it's wonderful. We're so proud and thrilled to be part of it. And we've been doing it for 12 years, I think. If you look behind us, that's where all your books come through. We help a little bit in that way, and we're just thrilled to have you here. So happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you so much. And I mean, for us, we're truly grateful for this opportunity, and the need is great, as you say, and we're all doing our part. So, being able to have partnership opportunities and engaging is really good because, I guess there was a movie that I watched and it just comes to me over and over as I think of these books. Like, when I grow up, I want to be, a heavy equipment operator, and this short thought just comes to me, like, our future is in good hands.
Yeah, 100%.
Because we try our best to instill, inspire them at a young age, and we wouldn't be able to do it without support. So thanks again.
And it's not just us, like the whole When I Grow Up series, it's wonderful because it really gives the kids a really great understanding of the diversity of the workforce, what opportunity is, and the more kids know, the more kids dream, the more they dream, the more they achieve, right? So all the other corporate supporters, sponsors, even from the major ones, they're just doing a little bit here and there that they can. You sit around like days like today, you really see what they're going, you see where the money goes, and it's the best money we spend.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Cheers.
Yeah.